Hi, this is Kurt down at Carns Equipment with a 2026 Kawasaki KLX 110R, the smallest bike of the Kawasaki lineup, but also a great bike for kids to learn on, or for those of you that are into the pit bike racing. A lot of you guys have come around and bought these bikes to go pit bike racing. Great bike, clutchless. So what I mean is you don't have the clutch lever, so you're just shifting through the gears to go. Electric start, but it also still has the backup kickstart. For those of you that want to go out riding and want to learn how to grow your kids on something, a great bike. This year for 26 they came out with a bright white. You still got a little bit of the lime green in there, the Cowie lime green, of course, and everything. But a really clean looking bike for 26. Great little bike for those kids to go get started on, to go riding in, or for those of you that want to go pit bike racing. So if you're looking for something like this, come down to Carns Equipment in Clearfield. You can also call us at 814-765-5684, and you can find it on our website at carnsequipment.com.